Okay, hello. Just give me a moment. Okay, we're waiting for one more person to come in. Let me call a student, all right? Okay, just one more student coming in. Are you okay, Putra? Why your eyes are... Are you okay? You okay? It's okay. Hold on, ah. Okay, so the timing will be 8 o'clock every Monday, okay, for Ramadan, all right? Okay, we are going to start shortly, but let me just wait for one more minute for this girl, Neris. Razik, okay, and Neris. So, okay, there's one more person. Okay, hello, Razik, are you there? Okay, come turn on your computers. We're gonna start with, hold on, let me just get this. Okay, here we go. Come, Razik and Shafia, please turn on your, yes. Okay, so here we go. We are going to start with something very, very basic, okay? All right. Can you indicate in your chat which one are squares? And then you write down the alphabets. Which one are squares? Okay, we want you now to write the answers for squares. Can you identify squares? What are they? And you send me the message, okay? Question 1. Okay, squares. Can you write down what they are? Just like if you think A is a square, you write down A square. Then for number 2, you can write question 2. Which one are rectangles? So which one are squares? Which one are rectangles? Okay. And you have... Wow, we have the first answer now. We have the first answer. Let us see. Okay, Husna Shafia says, let us see whether she's correct. Okay, congratulations for Husna Shafia for squares. What about rectangles? What about Putra and Razik? Razik, you must push your video down. And that doesn't look like Razik. Is that Razik? It's a Razik's brother. Okay. Come, you can send your answers. Can you send your answers? Okay, Miss Shafia, well done. What about Putra? Putra, are you able to do it? So, Mr. Razik, we want the squares for question 1. Label all the squares and label all the rectangles. Okay, you're given 1 more minute. So, Shafia, while you're waiting for the rest, ask yourself what is those shapes that you did not identify. What are those shapes? The shapes that you say is not square, not a rectangle. What are those shapes? Okay, just think through. Okay, Mr. Putra, well done for square. All right, Neris, we are trying to identify which ones are squares and which ones are rectangles. So for question number 1, please write down what are the squares. Question number 2, what are the rectangles? Okay. Oh. Ken, Neris, you understand? Which one are squares and which one are rectangles? Razik, we are waiting for you. Razik, I don't see anything except some monsters behind. Yes, I. How come you are asking? I. Okay, but anyway, Razik, you know what to do, Razik? Which one are squares and which one are rectangles? Come on, very quickly, very quickly. Okay. Then, okay. All right, Okay, so Putra, well done. Okay, we go through one by one. We'll ask Neris, which one is a square? Is A a square, Neris? Yes, no. Is B a square? C a square? Neris, which one is a square? A, B, or C? A, B, or C?
B.
B, yeah, square has 4 equal sides. You know what this thing is, not this line on here. This means it's equal. Can you see this one? Equal. All right, this one, this arrow, you know what this arrow is? Putra, what is this arrow? Shafia, what is this arrow? What is this arrow? Is it equal? Cannot be equal. You see, this one is shorter than this one. This one is shorter than this one. So what is this arrow? You know what this arrow is? Okay, I will explain to you later. So now B is correct. One more is E. Is a square. B is a square, E is a square. All 4 sides the same, and they must have 90 degrees. 90 degrees. 90 degrees. 90 degrees. 490 degrees. All right. Rectangle. Rectangle, they have 490 degrees also. But the sides may not be of the same length. These two are the same length. These two are the same length. Okay? So you have C, rectangle, F, rectangle. So what is A? What do we call this shape? Anyone knows now? Anyone knows? Trapezium. Trapezium. What is a trapezium? A trapezium has 2 parallel sides. This is parallel sides now. What is parallel? That means they do not meet each other forever. You take a ruler, let's say. If you have a ruler, I don't have a ruler now. You see, do I have a ruler? I don't have a ruler, but I take this thing here. Can you see this thing? Okay, if you cannot see, I will stop share. You can see. Can you see this thing here in front? Or you cannot see? Then I have to remove my background. Then you will know where I am. Okay, no background. Okay, can you see this thing here? This thing here now, this side and this side, they do not meet. If you continue the line, you go straight up, just like that. These 2 hands, they're going up this way. These are parallel, means they do not meet each other. All right, just like they don't meet. If you have ultraman hands, this is perpendicular. That means they meet at 90 degrees. These do not meet. That means they always parallel. For example, this box here is also parallel. Let's say if you look at the door, we look at the door. Can you see this door here? This door here, both sides are parallel. I'm going to show you a few parallel stuff. Can you see this one on here? It's parallel. All right, these 2 lines are parallel. These 2 lines are parallel. These lines are parallel. Parallel means they don't meet each other. Okay, so they don't meet each other. Like 2 lines, they want to meet each other, but they cannot meet each other. Okay, those are parallel. So now let me go back to the worksheet. Okay. So down here now, you have trapezium. A is trapezium. Okay, this is trapezium. This is square. This is rectangle. This is trapezium again. This is square. This is rectangle. What is this? P start with P. Anyone knows now? Pentagon. You know what's pentagon? Is a 5-sided figure. All sides are the same. Pen. But you don't need to learn this, okay? But since you see that, I'm just telling you. In fact, the other day, Neris was asking me, a 6-sided figure like this. Remember, Neris, what's the name of it? Do you remember that? I give you the name. What's the name? The honeycomb. Honeycomb has this type of cell.
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Wow, remember? Very good. Hexagon means 6 different sides. Hexagon. Do you know? I'm going to tell you something very, very interesting. In a beehive, you know what's a beehive, right? Where sarang lebar, okay, where the bees, honey bees go. There's 3 sizes of cell. This is called a cell. So when the queen bee wants to lay egg, this is like the toilet bowl lah. Imagine now this is toilet bowl. You go down there, you step kangkang like that, and you go and berak. But they don't berak. They lay the egg, and you will have 3 sizes of eggs, in the hexagon cell. Large size, medium size, small size. The large size is a new queen bee. The medium size is female bees. And the small size is male bees. Yes. Hey, Razik, we are male bees. Smallest one. The queen bee is the biggest. So next time I'll tell you that story, okay? Today we don't have time for it, okay? So now, anyway, when does the queen bee lays a new queen bee egg, the biggest egg? You know when? When it's gonna die. When it's gonna die, you will lay a new queen bee egg. Now, how do they? Okay, I'll tell you one other day. It's a very interesting story. Now, down here now, can you see now? They are asking you now, PQ. PQ is what is PQ? It's actually a side down here, P to Q. Okay, and PQ is how many cm? You all know, right? How many cm? You all know now? 8 cm, right? Can you name another 3 sides that is the same as PQ, 8 cm or so? Okay, very quickly we'll ask Putra now because we don't have time for this. Putra, what are the 3 sides that are the same as PQ? But first of all, how long is PQ, Putra? In 5, in 4.
SR.
SR Naden. SR Naden is Singapore's ex-president. SR, he says. SR, let us see. SR, yeah, down here, correct. One more, another one more. Some more. Only one only. This one, this is square. No, you see, they show like that means all of them are the same. All of them are the same. These are marked like that. All of them are the same. So what else? Down here also, this one, PS or SP. PSP, Singapore Poly. Then this one, down here, QR. QR. Sorry, QR is here. And then what about this one? This one, how many cm? You all know how many cm, right? 8 cm. How do we know? There, down here is 8 cm. And all of them is 8 cm. I remember square all 8 cm. I know it's very simple. Later, some of you may forget. So now we go down to the next one. Very easy, eh? Are you eating a lollipop now? Looks so nice. Huh? Okay, here we go. Down here, you see these lines. What are these lines? Who knows? Shafia, you know this line. And what is this thing? What is this thing? Anyone knows? Okay, I'm going to underline in, I'm going to circle it in red. Who knows what does this sign mean?
Parallel.
Parallel. You know what parallel? You know what a parallel? I just showed you right on the board. This thing is parallel. Remember I show you? Parallel. The human body is not parallel. Let's say human body is, hey, you go like that means it's not parallel. Your face is also not parallel. Okay? Let's say we look at Shafia's face. You can see that when going down like that is meeting, not parallel. Parallel means straight. Straight. So parallel, we look at the spelling of parallel. You will not forget what's the meaning of parallel. You know why? You watch this. I write the word parallel here. You see now. P. All right. A. Now, you can see the word parallel. In parallel, there's 2 lines. Can see now? Parallel. So you must remember that parallel are 2 lines that don't meet. Okay. This one, what you call this one? Who knows what this is? This thing. Anyone? Who knows this thing? The upside down. Perpendicular. What is perpendicular? What is perpendicular, Putra?
Right angle.
Right angle means they meet at 90 degrees. Let's say Ultraman. I do not know whether you all are into Ultraman. Okay, this perpendicular. Ultraman, when he put his hand like that, okay, or like this, it is 90 degrees. Can you see that 90 degrees here? That means it's perpendicular. Why must you know that? You remember triangle? Later on, you will learn in primary 5, the base and height must meet at 90 degrees. Okay, so now, very quickly, I'm going to ask you to try to do this one. Okay, I'm going to write down a number, okay? You just fill in the answer. Number 1, you message me. Number 2, you message me. Number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and go. This means meet at 90 degrees. If you're not so sure, I'm going to 90 degrees. This one parallel, never getting closer. Let us see whether you can. You all know why we are starting late, because tomorrow puasa, right? So soon we're going to have Tarawih and all that. So some people may want to start slightly later. Anyone? A new one. Okay, Razik, you understand, Razik? Okay, now, Razik? Okay. Congratulations, Miss Shafia. You win for yourself 2 points. Congratulations, Mr. Putra. You win for yourself 1 point. You must answer in CM. How many CM is that? Anyone who can get 50 points in one lesson, you will get $2 from me. Real, not joking. Okay, but you must remember your point. In one lesson, don't you come at the end of the year say, teacher, I got how many 100 points? Okay, Husna Shafia. Okay, congratulations. Husna Shafia, you got 1 point. 2 points. Now, Husna Shafia, you have 4 points already. 4 points. Abang cannot teach, Abang. Abang cannot teach. Don't teach, sister. Adik behind Neris also cannot teach. Adik cannot teach. Adik. Adik, the other one, Abang teaching. This one, Adik teaching. Come on, the rest. Come on. Neris, what's the answer for question number 1? Neris, come on. Tell us. Razik, you know what we're talking about? You know where's TW not? TW, you know where? Razik. TW, where's TW? This one down here. So they're asking you down here, TW is how many cm? You write down now, Razik. Razik. Can you hear me, Razik? Hello, Razik. Are you there? Razik? Hey, I must answer. Okay, you know what I'm talking about or not? Don't know. Okay, so I will go through. Okay, let's see. Okay, Neris.
No, wait.
Aduh, ya Allah. Who's the one who's shouting? No, wait. Razik, you understand? Okay, we'll ask Neris. Neris, TW. This is TW. Can you give me one side that's the same as TW? You have 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Neris, which side is the same as TW? Same as TW, same length as TW. We have 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. The opposite side down here, Neris. VU, you see, VU. How many cm is it? They tell you it's 9 cm, so this is 9 cm here. Now we try Mr. Razik. Mr. Razik, TU, E2, 2 is the same as which side? You have 5 seconds, you have 4 seconds, you have 3 seconds, you have 2 seconds, you have 1 second. VW, yes, you can speak lah. I'm talking to you, you can speak. Okay, VW. How many cm is this? Razik, you have 5, 4, 3, 2, 6. Good. Okay, well done. Now for number 3, I see not many people is answering. So they're asking you angle E. Okay, we use a different color. Okay, we do use a different color, right? We do green now. Angle E is here. Look, there's a square here. This square means it's 90 degrees. This one is also 90 degrees. So E is equals to F. What are the 2 angles? Is equals also to 90 degrees lah, H lah. And what more? G. G. How many degrees? 90. Now, we're going to ask now, Shafia, is this correct, Shafia? 90 degrees correct, like that? Right or wrong? Yes or no, right or not? This one. Shafia, is it right or wrong? This one. Shafia, I cannot hear you. Don't ask Abang. This is correct. This is 90 degrees temperature. This is how hot it is. If you put a baldi of water 90 degrees and then after you put daging inside and put some of the tai inside, you will cook daging masak tai inside. 90 degrees, very hot, boiling. Okay, so 90 degrees now here, don't put the C. Okay, you must, this is now angle. When you put the C there, this one become temperature, you know. You know temperature, not? Suhu. In Malay, you call suhu. You say, I do not know what is suhu lah. I only know what is susu. Okay, please learn. Suhu means degrees in Malay. Don't use the C. C means Celsius. It's just 90 degrees like that. Remember, 190 degrees with a small bubble. Imagine you kentut kecil like that. That's a small bubble. Okay, you get it? Now we're gonna ask Mr. Putra. TU is perpendicular to what? Putra. TU is perpendicular to what? Here, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. TU. Okay, we give him another try. He's just looking. I'm looking at Putra. He's looking like that. Okay, Putra. TU E2 222. Which side does it meet at 90 degrees? There's two sides. You choose one. Which one you want? 5.
VU.
VU. Down here is one side. It meets at 90 degrees, you see? So you can say VU. Another one is what? Another one is, it can also be WT. So up to you. You want to put VU or WT? Up to you. Okay? Now we ask now the next one. Okay, we ask Miss Neris. VW. Okay, VW. Hold on. I will just wrap up. Okay. Neris, believe in yourself, Neris. Okay, I know you can do it. Okay. Now, Neris. VW down here. Which side will it meet at 90 degrees? Is perpendicular to which one? You have 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Try. Don't just sing and please try. Neris, Miss Neris. This line VW, it means two lines at 90 degrees. What are the two lines called? You give me one of the lines. What's one of the line? I even draw the dotted line for you. These are the two lines. It means at 90 degrees. Come on. Which one? Neris. Which line? You have 5. You have 4. You have 3. This is VW. Which line? Meet at 90 degrees. 5, 4, 3, 2. I say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You should go in. Everyone turn off the video. What is this? Okay, Razik, you tell us answer. VW meet what side at 90 degrees? In 5, 4.
What?
This one, VW, it is perpendicular to or meet at 90 degrees to which one? Which side? You choose one of the side. There are two sides right down here. You choose one. You can even choose VU. Now I give you the answer. Or you can choose WT. Okay, never mind. Okay, never mind. Okay, later on. Adoy, who is that shouting, screaming? Please don't shout and scream. I'm also getting frightened by you guys. Okay, here we go. We move on. Sometimes you don't get it. We move on first. Okay. Can you try now? A and B, please write down your answer. Okay. Remember the points you have. Putra, you got this. You got it right. So you have 4 points in total. Shafia, you have 4 points in total. Okay. We are waiting for Neris and Razik. Come on, Razik. You can do this. So who is it that's getting the answer here? Husna Shafia. Okay. What about B? Okay. What about B? Husna Shafia. Husna Shafia got 2 extra points. You have 6 points already. You are another 44 points away from $2. Money is collected at the end of the month. Okay, Kashril, you got 2 more points. You got 1 point. You got 5 points. Husna Shafia, you got 1 more point. You got 7 points. So, Putra, you say answer is the same for both, is it? For so you got
AB 7cm, AD 7cm.
Who is that? Cannot hear.
Farid.
Hey, why Faris is the thing? Okay, you type for him lah. Type for him. Okay, well done. Okay, so Mr. Razik, you got 2 points already. What about B? The rest? What about the rest? Putra, harilah Putra. How come B you don't know? Neris, where are you? Neris, Arifin, how come you run away? Just because I asked you a little bit, you're gonna run away. When we are doing tuition with what's her name? Your sister, I can see you're a very brave girl. Come. Okay, yeah. And we have 1 minute, half a minute left, because Shafia is waiting down there. She's very bored already. Shafia, don't fall asleep, Now you're fastest now down here. Okay, sabar, yeah, Shafia. Redor. Who is that shadow behind you giving you an answer, Shafia? Razik, congratulations, Razik. You get 2 more points, which are 4 points. Remember, you need to hit 50 tonight to get $2. And the money will be given to you at the end of the month. Help. I help. Alamak. Who is that I help guy? Okay. So I do not know why Putra did not give the answer down here. Putra, this is 3 cm lah. Putra, how come you don't know this one? You know, kan? You didn't, oh, you gave, sorry, Putra, you gave. So Putra, you also have 6 points, same as Shafia. All right, the next one now. Okay, very quickly, please, very quickly. 加油 Miss Shafia, your first one is incorrect. Come on, be careful, Shafia. We will minus points from you. See, Razik is smiling at you because you got it wrong. Hey, so bad, Razik. You.
Ow.
Hey, don't, Astaghfirullahaladzim, don't shout lah, please. Okay, so your arrangement is got, your first one is upside down lah, Shafia. Okay, Neris, congratulations. 1 point for Neris. 1 point to Mr. Putra. Putra has 7 points. He's leading. Shafia, you have points deducted because yours is terbalik. Your answer is correct, but terbalik. Okay, what about Mr. I think this one, Razik doesn't know lah, Razik. Okay, I have to go through the answer there. Razik, come on. Okay, congratulations, Razik. 2 points to you. So altogether now you have 5. Okay, good. So, all right. Putra also, well done. Okay, very easy. And Aries, you didn't complete the whole thing. See, this one is 10. Yes, RS is 10. RS is here. But now they ask PS. PS just write 4 down here lah. Very easy. Then the next one, what about B? What about B? Come on. Okay, Neris, yes, well done. B, how come Kashri, B, Putra, takkan you're taking too slow. What is YZ? Yakuza, come on. Okay, Razik, congratulations. You have now gotten how many points? I forgot. 6 points, I think. Okay. 6 points. And now plus 2 points. Okay, Neris, well done. All right. So I'll give you the breakdown to everyone. How many points you have. Let us see. Okay, just now. Okay, so Razik, I'll type it here so that we do not forget. Okay, Razik now. Razik R. Now you got 6 points. Shafia, you got already 8 points. Putra, I think has taken over you with 10 points, I think. And then Neris, I think is 4 points. Okay, so we make sure that we are able to go to the next one. Here we go. It's very easy, very easy. Okay, and go, please, and go. Shafia, congratulations. +1. Okay, I will write +1. Okay, Neris, +1. Putra, +1. +1 and 1. 2, both 2. Razik, 2. Shafia, 2. Okay, the next one, come on. Shafia, you got 1 more here. But there's 1 more answer, Shafia. Okay, so Shafia has total of 12 points here. And who is that? Razik, your total of another 2 more. Razik got 10 points here. Okay, 10 points. And then Putra now got another 2. Putra got 14 points. Bully this guy. Putra, don't bully us, please. And what about Neris? Neris, your last 2 minutes. These 2, Neris. Come on. Write down the answer as quickly as possible. Come on. Okay, you have 5, 4. You can see out the answers. 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Okay, while I wait for the rest on here. So as we can see, okay, one more, Neris. Okay, 6. Okay, Neris will get 8 lah, down here. Okay, not bad. Okay. So Neris now 8, Putra 14, Razik 10, Shafia 12. Please try your best. Remember, do your school proud. Okay, here we go. This one now is 3-point question. Anyone who get the answer correct, it's a 3-point question. Three-point question. Read carefully, read carefully, read carefully. Putra is now 17. 3 points for Putra. What about the rest of them? Putra! Salah lah, Putra. Putra, salah. Cannot be lah, must be longer. Hello, longer, no? How come you answer shorter, Mr. Razik? Longer means lebih panjang, not lebih pendek. Come on, yes, congratulations. We have Shafia getting 3, Razik getting 3. They say, okay, now, they say QN is 3 cm, 2 cm longer. Okay, so now down here, QN is 2 cm longer than what? Then, yes, QN, PQ. PQ is here what? PQ is 4 cm. How do we know? Opposite side are the same, right? Rectangle. So this one is 2 cm longer than here. So must be 4 plus 2 lah. Don't 4 plus 3. There's someone 4 plus 4. 4 plus 2 because 2 cm longer. 6. Well done. So now down here, because we have 2 points plus 2. Sorry, Mr. Putra, we cannot give you more than that. Your first attempt was not the thing. So Neris has 10. Putra got 16. Rafiq has 13. And Shafia, you are catching up. You are 15. Shafia, do your family proud. Okay, don't feel pressured at all. Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. Now, ready? Now angle. I just show you the first one. Because the other time, this is a square. What does it mean? That means this part here is 90 degrees. This part here is 90 degrees. This part here is 90 degrees. And this part here is 90 degrees. If you want to find A plus 45 equals to 90 degrees. What is angle A? Angle A is 90 minus 45 lah. Okay, that's how you do. 90 minus 45, you get 45. So your answer is 45 degrees. Don't put a C. Must put the small bubble, but not the C. Okay. So now you're ready. I'm going to reveal the other questions now. You have to do the rest. Okay, I already taken a photo of what? Of all your score. So ready, 2 points each, okay? And go. Do not need to do A, okay? Do question B, C, and D. 2 points each. B, C, and D. Okay, we have someone coming in. Shafia. So sorry, please try again. I give you clue. Those who need a clue, I give you clue. Okay. This one is 90 degrees. To find this one, just take 90 minus 38. Then you get the answer. All right, Mr. Putra, congratulations. 2 points for you, Putra. What time you finish? 9:30. Whenever student ask me what time you finish, it means you don't like my lesson. I'm so sad. Tomorrow need to go to school. Sorry, because this is Ramadan. We have to start slightly later. Okay, the next one. Congratulations, Mr. Putra. Putra gets another 2 points, so total of 4 points. Razik. Wow, Razik, wow. Razik, congratulations. 2 points for B, 2 points for C, and 2 points for D. Congratulations, Razik. You're faster than Putra this time. You get 6 points. Yeah, and Putra, you also have the correct answer. Well done. 6 points. Anyone else? If not, I will show you how to do. Okay, this one, Husna, for Shafia, this one is correct. This C and D is correct. Okay, so we check. Okay, how to do this one, Shafia? Okay, take 90 minus 38 lah. So what do you get? 90 minus 38. You have to hold on. You have to borrow. Borrow from what? You want to minus the 8. 0 cannot minus 8. So borrow lah. Hello, I borrow. Just what do you get? You get 10. 10 minus 8, you get 2. 8 minus 5, you get 52. This is 52, not 55. 52. Don't forget degrees. And then what about down here? Same thing. This is also 90 degrees. So say 90 minus 35. What will you get? You will get the answer 55 degrees. And the next one, you get 90 minus 62.
28.
28. Okay, so we'll come. So let me see. Yes, please, you can go to the restroom. So Husna, Shafia, you got 4 points. Okay, later we'll add your other points. Putra and Razik got 6 points. So we are now going to go to the next one. Here we go. Later we will check through. Right now. The next two. Very quickly, 2 points each. Congratulations, Shafia. 2 points for you. Congratulations, Mr. Putra. 2 points for you.
What?
Let me see.
I just came back.
Okay, it's okay. Come. So, Shafia, well done. Altogether 4 points for Shafia. So, Shafia, 4 points, you get 8 points. So, Shafia gets 8 points here. Altogether. And then Mr. Putra has how many points? Putra, I think 8 points, right? Plus 2 more. Plus 2, 10 points, is it? 10 points, right? This is what. Razik. Sorry, Putra is here, 10 points or so. Later we'll add the original one. Neris, because she went to the toilet, we can only give her consolation 2 points. Okay. So what is the total now? Total down here, as we can see.
Hey.
You just came back?
Yeah.
Yalah, what to do? The rest have started. Okay, later you can catch on. We'll give you more points later. So now Neris has 12. Putra has 26. Oh God. Let me see. Razik has 23. Shafia has 23. Okay, so you got to catch up. Determinant, it will give you double the score if you can complete it. Okay, so here we go. We are going to move on now. The next one. Okay, wait. This one you know already. This one you know. Hey, this one same thing. This one same thing. Down here. Good. This first one. 5 points for anyone who can get A. 5 points. Remember, I give you a clue. Remember, this one here is 90 degrees. 90 degrees. It's 90 degrees there. You can do this. The clue is this plus this plus this is 90 degrees. All right. And let us see. Razik, 5 points for you. Putra, 5 points for you. The two girls, come on. Two girls. Plus 5. Plus 5. Okay. DC. No, they're asking how many degrees. How many degrees is this one? Okay. I repeat, this plus this plus this is equals to 90 degrees. So you take 90 minus what? Minus 35. And then after that, minus 30. What do you get? You get 25 degrees. 25 degrees. So congratulations to the two boys. Now we move on to the next one. Try. I will erase the thing. Okay, this one now. 5 points also. 5 points. Come on. I think I'm going to lose some money today, man. B and C. 5 points each. Five points. Okay, once you make mistake, it's out. For Mr. Putra, that is not the correct answer. Razik, you can overtake him if you're good and fast. Shafia and Neris, where are both of you? Okay. Razik, your first one is wrong. Sorry. Second one is correct. 5 points to you, Razik. So, if you are careful, you'll be able to get 10 points. Now, Razik at 5 points here. We are waiting for Putra. Putra, what's your answer for C now? B, you got it wrong. What's your answer for C? Shafia. Sorry. Razik, your answer for B is wrong, right? Yeah, wrong. Shafia, well done. You got 5 points for B. What about C, Mr. Putra? See, how come you all get 9? Okay. All right, 9 is... Okay, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so... Okay. Watch out. This one here is 90 degrees. So how to find B? Very simple. You take 90 minus 73 lah. That's how easy it is. Because down here is 90 degrees. So you borrow from 9 tenths. You get 10 down here.
And how about the 26?
Okay, hold on. This one is 17 degrees. Okay, so Shafia got this correct. Congratulations, Shafia. Okay, hold on. Someone has given me a message. I need to read. Okay, no problem. Okay, Naomi, don't worry, okay? Okay, don't worry, okay. We won't put points for her, okay? Don't worry. Okay, I'm putting points so that, but if she's in the toilet, too bad lah. Okay, we just minus a point. Now the next one, same thing. What do you do for the next one? what do? Same thing lah. This thing now here, the corner is 90 degrees. Take 90 minus 26. That's what you do. Okay, some of you are taking the other side. You don't need to take the other side. Okay, then you minus. How much you get? 10 minus 6 is 4. 8 minus 2 is 6, 64 degrees. Come on, 64 degrees, easy enough. But you see, some of you say, no, I take 9, there's no I take 90 minus 73 minus 26. No, you cannot do things like that. This one is 90 degrees. 90 minus 73 give you this. 90 minus 26 give you this. So let me see. Who got it right? Let me see. Shafina, you got both right. Razik, you got the next one right. So this time, Putra did not write anything. So now 23 plus 3 plus 10, Razik is 33. Okay, I'm just going to write down now. Razik now is 33. R, 33. Putra is 31. Putra, what happened, Putra? And Miss Shafia got one or both correct. Shafia got one correct. So is 28. Okay. Try, because now again the next one is anyone can win the next round. Okay, we go now. Okay, Neris, if you are here, never mind, we don't follow points now. Otherwise, you got a lot to catch up. But remember, to hit $2, you have to hit 50 points, which is not so difficult. And go. D and E. Usna Shafia, congratulations, 5 points for you. Razik, 5 points for the first one. For the second one, so sorry. Correct. You got it correct. So Razik, you got 10 points. Husna Shafia got 5 points. You are waiting for the next answer. Putra, your first one is wrong again. You have made the wrong calculation. You are careless. Come on. Putra, come on, you are careless. You missed the 5 points now.
Teacher, I give my answer already.
You give your answer. Really? Oh, yeah. Okay. Congratulations. You have now 5 points or so. So Shafia now has 38. What about Putra? Your next one. You only give the first one. Now you have 43, Mr. Razik. You are now 7 points away from 50. Putra, what about you, Putra? Okay, how to do this one? Very simple, Putra. Look, 90, this whole thing is 90, no? 67 plus D is 90. So take 90 minus 67 lah. What do you get? You get 23. You don't get 13. You don't believe. Okay, minus, now here you borrow 8. So 10 on 10 minus 7 is 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. So you wrote 13. So that's a careless mistake. What about the next one? What about this one, Putra? We are giving you now a chance now. Catch up.
90 minus 64.
Yeah, 90 minus 64. What's the answer? You must give us the answer.
36.
36. So plus 5. So you have 36. You answered 36. You got 36 points or so. So in the lead now, we have Mr. Razif. Mr. Razif. The moment I announce his name, he runs away. But okay, never mind. We are now going to... Okay, Naomi, because you went away for too long, we're not going to have points for you today, okay? If you want, also I can put the points, no problem. Okay, now we finish one. Okay, so I'm just going to take down your... Okay, just a moment. Just a moment. We are now going to go into revision. Revision for what? For your... Okay, just hold on. I am now... Hold on. Just give me one moment, okay? I'm trying to open recent file. Ya Allah, where is it? Geometry on in. Hold on. Is it? Okay, I think we try this one. Okay, this is a revision of one other topic. And you all are very fast. This class is faster than the other one. Hold on. Very quickly. Okay, we are gonna go this one. You tell me whether we have gone through this, okay? All right. Have we gone through this? If we have gone through this? Yes, last week. Yes. No. Yes, Putra say yes. Razik, no. No, I mean not yet lah. Okay. I remember one girl asking me this hexagon. Right, so we have this is hexagon. If they are all equal, so this one I think we have gone. I think we have gone through this. Okay, but never mind. We will revise this one to see whether you are able to answer this. Ready? Here we go. Now, can you write your answer for A and B, please? A and B. This one is revision so that you. Okay, we start from 0 here lah. Okay, we start from 0. Every correct answer you get is 2 points now. Later we add your points. I took a photograph. Don't worry, I won't cheat you. Where do I put this now? You all remember how to do not? A and B? Razik, I don't understand. Okay, Razik. Razik, okay. So you have to, maybe you were not around, Razik. So now down here, we are going to look at the angle. I never do before, okay. Okay, never mind. This one now, we are going to ask you, do you want to measure the angle? How many degrees, Razik? So for A, you look at the angles from here to here, and then what do they do? They even mark the angle for you here. So how to read? Okay, I'm gonna revise first lah for you all. Okay, because I think some of you have forgotten, or maybe you have not done before. So now let us go down here. See down here. So we count. You see, there's 2 zeros. There's 1 0 down here. Oh, sorry. There's 1 0 down here, and another 0 from here. Which 0 do we use to count this angle? Remember, the angle is here, no, down here, no. So we don't count down here. This one we don't count. We start down here. So this is 10, 20, 30. So this is the answer, 30 lah. You don't count from here because there's no angle here. Nothing, no angle. Angle is like that. You see the angle is here. So when the angle is here, you must start from here. If the angle is here, let's see the next one. On the next one down here. Look at this one. The angle now is here. So you must count your 0 down here. All right? So now you try now. How many degrees is D? You try. Come on, you can do this. Neris, you start from here. D means 0 is here. Start from here. Follow down here. How many degrees? Roughly. Count roughly. And then key in. Congratulations, Mr. Razik. You say you never do, but you can do. 2 points for you. You cannot do. Then how you get it correct? Abang tell you. No. So you know how to do lah. What about the rest? Neris, you can do. Yeah, you guess. Okay, good guess. Neris, okay, acceptable. Okay, you get 2 points also, Miss Neris. What about Putra? Putra also say same answer as Neris. 2 points for you. What about Miss Husna Shafia? Paging for Miss Husna Shafia. Now, watch carefully. Down here we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 100 is down here, This is 100, then 101, 102. The best answer is 102. Okay, if you write 103, we still give you some points. But the best is 101, 102. Okay, so we try. So the 102. Okay, so now we are gonna try again. Okay, ready, and go. How many degrees is this angle? Neris, come on, Neris. I'm cheering for you, Neris. Come on, Husna Shafia. All right, congratulations to Mr. Putra, who has gotten it correct. 5 points to you for coming in first. Congratulations to Ms. Shafia, 5 points to you. We are waiting for the rest, namely Mr. Razik and Ms. Neris. Come on, Chiayo. Hey, Shafia, don't count on here. This one we don't want anymore. You already got correct. Don't make yourself wrong. This one tak ada angle here. Razik, congratulations. And what about Neris? Come on, Neris. C is here. Come on. C is here. Come on, Neris. You see, look at Putra. He's already doing it like that. He cannot take it already. He's going to explode. Come on, Chayo. The longer we wait, the more bored they will get. Children are children. They'll get bored. That's why students cannot be left alone in the classroom.
I'll be back.
Okay, I'll be back. Okay, now here we go. Come, Neris, we do together, son. Neris, you ask yourself, this is the angle here. Down here is the line. This is where 0 is supposed to be. So you have to count all the way until you reach here. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. The center one all on here is 5. All 5. So 135. Do not count down here. Don't count nothing down here. Antu lah. Ini adalah angle antu. Don't play with the antu. Down here got nothing down here. If you count down here, you'll get it wrong. And you want to get it correct, is 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. But this is nothing here. Again, antu cannot. All right, nah? All right, we'll move on to the next one. Okay, and they say in Bulan Ramadan, all the devils are all caged up. Here we go. Very quickly, what is the angle B? Very easy, very easy. Come on, come on. Oh, we have someone really giving the answer. Huh? Congratulations, Mr. Putra. What about the rest? Kakak Shafia, come on. Can I call you Kakak? No? Cannot. Cannot. Come on, Mr. Razik. Razik, congratulations. 5 points from Mr. Razik. I think Razik has already hit 50 points already. Neris, congratulations. 5 points from Miss Neris. But the moment I say her name, she disappears. We are waiting for Husna Shafia. Paging for Husna Shafia. Answer, please. The world is waiting for you. Look, there's a tiger behind Rafiq. If you don't give your answer, congratulations. 90 also. Yes, from here to here, 90. So down here is you count the 0 here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Congratulations to all of you. All of you get 5 points. Here we go. We move on to the next one. Usna Shafia? Mistake, please. Try again. Razik, correct? Kashril, Putra, correct? Shafia, tell me what's the answer, Shafia? 10, 20, 30. Before I go, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Down here, 100. You don't have 105. 105 down here, miss. 105 is down here. Are you okay, Neris? Okay, Neris, welcome back. That's not your answer was correct, Neris? Okay, your answer was correct. So, no, it's 105. Yeah. Are you okay? So down here is 105, not 150, because down here is really 110. What? How can it be 100, 150, 110? Cannot be. 150 is down here, Miss Shafia. This is 150. Can you see 150 here? This is 105. It's between 110, 100. So down here I say it's 5, right? 105. All right, we'll move on to the next one. Neris, you got your last answer correct before you were disconnected, I think. So here we go. And go. Come on, you can do this. You can do this. Come on. You can do this. You can do this. Believe in yourself. You can do this. I think I'll have a nightmare at night saying you can do this. Someone has given an answer very fast. Razik. Allahu Akbar. Razik. Your answer. Tahniah kepada Encik Razik yang telah menyekor 5 points for Encik Razik. Very fast, this boy is very fast. I notice you always korek hidung. Maybe that's the secret, right? If you're korek hidung also, you can also get the answer as fast as Razik. Is it true, Razik? Yes. Let us see. Usna Shafia, you are going to count at angle antu. Angle antu, there's no angle here, Usna. Usna Shafia, don't play antu, I tell you. Down here is the angle. Why you go down here? Jangan main dengan antu, tolong. Yeah. Putra, well done. Down here, Neris, Neris. This angle is, okay, look carefully, Neris, down here, we look. This is the line. This is the line down here, right? You see, we follow the line. Where does it touch the zero? It touches the zero down here. So you must take this part down here, this zero. So you got to count all the way, Neris, until you reach here. So what is it? So down here, what does it mean? This one is 10. That means for you, down here is 10, you know. You must take this number. You must don't look at this number anymore. And there is all these number you don't see. Don't look at this. Don't look at this at all, okay? So where's your number? Your number is 10. Down here is 20. Down here is 60, right? 60. Down here is 90. And down here, you look, down here is 140. And down here is 150. You don't look at this part down here because your zero is where? Your zero is here. You must take this number down here. This one is only when you read from here, then you read. Now you don't read because why? You're not using this one. So you use this one. Imagine now this thing is down here. Imagine this thing is down here. Imagine. So you get 150, and in between is 55. You see down here is 5, you don't believe, I'm going to make it very big, okay? You can see it now. Okay, watch out. I'm going to stop share. I'm going to make it very big. You can see. Watch out. I'm going to make it very big. You see, now we count down here, Neris, you see. We count down here, see, down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, when they put a 5, they make it longer. So this one is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Can you see? 15 is here. So it's 10, 20, 15. So what about the other parts? Okay, let us look at the other parts, okay? We look at the other parts. You must be very clear on this, This skill is needed right into secondary school. Down here, you see? So down here, what do we say? We count again, we can see the answer. 21, 22, 23, 24, ya Allah, down here, hey boys and girls, down here is 25, this is 24, but the answer is not 24, why? Why is it not 24? because down here there is no angle. There is no angle down here. Okay, I show you further. Look, there is no angle down there. Can you see? The angle is where? The angle is somewhere else. Where is it? Okay, the angle must be from here. Okay, we rub this off. Okay, so now you can see. So down here, we look at it from here. So you are going to start from 0 down here. See 0 to down here. So you look at it now. Don't look at this first part. Okay, I repeat. This one now. Do not look at this part down here. This one. Don't look at this. I'm going to chonting this one. Don't look. Don't look at this because you are not supposed to use this line. These numbers. These numbers is going to distract you. Don't look at all these numbers. You must look at the number down here now. Why? Because 0 is here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 120, 30, 140, 150. So down here is 150, yeah? 151, 152. Oh, 150, 152, sorry. 153, 154, 155, 156. No one got it correct, but some got 155 very close. Okay, we try now the next one. You can do this, you can do this, okay? You can do this. Here we go. Zero should be here, huh? Zero should be here. All the outside part, bodoh with them. You're not going to read them. Oh, someone have given an answer with very fast boy. Is it Razik? Razik. Tahniah kepada Encik Razik. Lagi sekali. Ya, candidate dari Paris Saint-Germain. Mr. Putra, congratulations. Mr. Shafia, Miss Shafia, why are you going measure down here, from here to here? Ini kan tak ada angle. Ni sini tak ada angle, Miss. You suka main dengan angle hantu lah, this girl. Don't lah angle hantu. There's nothing here. Shafia, nothing. You see, no, nothing. I can see Jin, you know. Okay lah, you can see Jin, but we are not looking down there. Okay, so you don't look there, Shafia. Okay, you must start from here. Start from here. Neris, what's the answer, Neris? Start from here. Zero must be here. Don't bother about this one. Don't count backwards. All this ping you can cancel, Neris. So Neris, what is the answer, Neris? I talk to you, then in the end you disappear, Neris. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Yes, Husna Shafia, congratulations. 100, 110, 120. So down here is 120. This part down here is 120. So we count 121, 122, 123. Congratulations. Okay, you all understand, right? Very easy, right? We move on. So we move on to this one. Shafia, don't play with. You fill in the blanks. Are you going to play with? Don't, Shafia. Control yourself. We have the first answer. I think it's new bully. His name is Razik. Oh no. Oh, both of them, Putra and Razik, have the same answer. Congratulations to the two boys. Both your answers are correct. Razik, you win for yourself a free trip to Paris Saint-Germain. Okay, you don't want to go there. You've gone there already. Shafia, congratulations. Now we are waiting for Neris. The moment I mentioned Neris, she turned off her video. Why is she going to do that for? So, okay, so down here we look. This part is 0, right? 0 is here, so you must start counting here. There is nothing down here. Don't count down here. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 145 is here. 46, 47, and 48. 148 degrees. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Huh? Now the next one. E. Wow, Razik. Congratulations. Cepat, huh? Razik, the champion, Razik. You're not champion. Champion, man. Not champion. Very humble boy. Yes, Putra, congratulations. You're waiting for the two girls. One girl from Korea. Husna Shafia, congratulations, Husna Shafia. Alhamdulillah. We'll do dua selamat tonight together with Solat Tarawih because Shafia is no longer playing with Angle Antu. Alhamdulillah. We are waiting for Neris. Come on, Neris. Neris down here. Neris, which one? Do we start counting from 0 here or 0 here? 0 down here because the angle is here. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 115. This is 115. All right, let's move on to the next one. Wow, Razik, very fast, huh? Cepat lah this boy. Scary, yeah. Congratulations, Putra. Same answer, congratulations. We are waiting for two girls to give the answer. Oh, the maximum angle means is 180. How come you can go more than 180? Cannot be lah. You see 180, if you go back 170. How come you go back 188? Come on. Counting wrongly. Counting wrongly. Counting wrongly. You start from here, kan? Okay, start from here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 1 and 2, 172 degrees. Okay, easy, yeah, easy, yeah. Neris, congratulations, Neris. Well done. Okay, this one now we have to now master this. So now I want you now to take out your exercise book. We need to be able to label. Have we gone through north, south, east, west? Have we? Yes. So okay, what's the Malay word for north? What's the Malay word for north? What's the Malay word for north?
Utara.
Utara. Utara. Utara is north. What is south? What is south?
Selatan.
Selatan. You are Malay, no? You cannot Selatan. Okay. Don't write setan. Okay. Selatan. Okay, good. Well done. Now, is it east west or west east? Which one? West east or east west? How do you know? West east. Okay, how do you know? Because of the word we. Yeah, we go to NS. We go to NS. So the west, what is west in Malay?
Barat.
Barat, not berat. Berat is heavy. And east?
Timur.
Timur. Okay. Timur. Okay. Well done. I already asked you for the 11 countries, right? Yes. In Southeast Asia, yes. Okay. Now we are going to move on a little bit. This class is a little bit faster than the other class, so we can go a little bit more. Okay. Just give me a little bit. Can you see all this? Oh. Let us try this. Okay, ready, yeah? For number one first. Number one, please write down the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, very fast. Congratulations, Mr. Putra.
I accidentally
Congratulations.
sent to the wrong person.
No problem, no problem. Congratulations, Mr. Razik and Ms. Shafia. What about Neris? Which one is it? Neris, is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? 1, 2, 3, or 4? That is the question. We are going to test you on reading very soon. Reading. Okay. So how? You want 88,000. So you search for 88. This is 80,000. The one. 88,000 maybe, yeah. 88,000 maybe, 88,000 good. Okay, so all these three is 88,000. This one out already. Number one is out. 800, 88,800. This one 0, This one 800, possible. This one also possible. All right, well done. Number three, yeah. Answer is number 3. 808. So 808. Okay, I'm going to test you one by one. What number is this? Okay, you must read it out. Okay, we'll start with Putra. Putra, unmute yourself, Putra. What number is this? And read it, please. 5.
1,000,000.
3. 10. Okay, we will ask the next person. Shafia, what number is this? 5. 4.
4,3,456.
Okay. We'll ask now Mr. Razik, the bully. Can you unmute yourself, Razik, and read this number? In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. When we ask now, Miss Neris, unmute yourself. Try to read this number, Neris. Come, try. 5, 4, 3. Okay, I'm going to show you the simple method, okay? Now, this is what you do. Wait. Hold on. Now, you count 1, 2, from the last digit, 1, 2, 3, put a comma. So down here is ones. This is tens. This is hundreds. So ones, 10, 100. Then after you have thousands. So now this is 123,456. Okay, we will test now. Who do we test? We are going to test Mr. Putra. Mr. Putra, can you read this number?
812,004.
Okay, now Putra, what they are teaching down here? You call 1, 2, 3, put a comma. 1, 2, 3, put a comma. So the second one is all thousand now. How many thousand are? Putra, how many thousand is this?
Huh?
How many thousand is this?
2.
No, down here. How many thousand? 81,000. What number is this?
100.
204. Okay, now we try the next one. The next one we're going to try Mr. Razif. Razif, you are ready, Razif? Okay, the rest don't tell. We will test you one by one, okay? Okay, Razif, what number is this? And go.
71,240.
3, yes. Okay, so you count 1, 2, 3, put a comma. So this 1 stands 100. The beside is 1,000. So 71,243. Correct. Okay, we'll ask now Miss Shafia. Shafia, let's try. Shafia, what number is this, Shafia? Come unmute yourself, Shafia.
67,203.
Yeah, 67,203. Now we ask Miss Neris. Neris, what number is this? Hold on. Okay, Neris, what number is this? Come, Neris, unmute yourself. You can do this, Neris. I know you're tired. You can do. Don't give up. Come, unmute. Don't say, and the rest don't say. Count 1, 2, 3. Put a comma. How many thousand, Neris? How many thousand?
25,173.
173. Well done. 25,173. Now we have to ask Putra until you get it correct. Putra, you ready, Putra? I'm going to give you bigger numbers, okay? Because you can do this, Putra. I believe in you. And go, Putra. What number is this? 5, 4. Say no. Unmute yourself. I cannot hear. Putra.
24,741.
Good. Okay, Putra. One more time, Putra. This time I'm going to give you bigger number, okay? Okay, is this
Why I get
7?
big one?
Yeah lah, never mind lah. Because now you're a big boy. Not small boy. Yeah. Always you want. Okay, this one is 0. Okay, and Putra, what's your answer? And go.
763,104.
Good, well done. Okay, now the rest is going to get. So remember, now next one is Razik. Let's see, Razik, whether he can do it. Okay, Razik. And what number is this, Mr. Razik? Unmute yourself, Razik. Come on, unmute yourself, Razik. What number is this?
Okay, I don't know.
You know, Razik.
I don't know.
Razik, 1, 2, 3. Put a comma down here. How many thousands are there, Razik? Read this number. How many thousands are there? Razik.
100.
Yeah, how many hundred?
How much?
Read this number.
456.
456,103. Okay, we try again, Razik. We try again. So you all know how to do it. Okay, very simple, Razik. Now, hey, Razik, your speaker is very loud. It's breaking all our eardrums. Okay, Razik, what number is this, Razik? Come on, Razik. Razik. What number is this? Unmute yourself. Don't write it down. Razik. Come on. Unmute, tell us the answer. How many thousand? You can do this, Razik. Razik. I'm calling your name how many times? I think I will have a nightmare tonight. You know what? I'll be seeing my sleep. Razik. Razik, come on. What number is this? Razik, what number is this? 413,402. Okay, now we try the next one. Okay, with next one we'll ask Miss Neris. Okay, Neris, don't turn off your video. Neris, you can do this. Neris, believe in yourself. Okay, believing in yourself is very, very important. If you don't believe in yourself, who's going to believe in you? You must believe in yourself. Oh, okay, your battery going to die. Then just try this one if you can. You got to leave already. You try you cannot. Neris, you try. What number is this? And then you say you can leave. You can do this, Neris. You just read this number, Neris. Come, Neris. Unmute yourself, Neris. Come.
I don't know.
You know. What number is this? What number? Say this number. Say this number, Neris. What number is this? You know. You know, Neris. Don't give up halfway. Come, Neris. Alamak, she did disappearing and going upside down. Okay. Neris, what number is this?
128,000.
Then and then you read the other number lah. 128,423. Okay, we'll ask now Husna Shafia. Husna Shafia, are you ready? Husna Shafia, why you going off your video. Don't. Husna Shafia, because you're a big girl, I will give you a big number. Okay. Husna Shafia, and go. What number is this? 1, 2, 3. Put a comma here. You just read this number.
80,
No, what number is this?
876,414.
Good. Well done. See, you can do this. So all you need to do in the 1,000 part, you just read 876. If I put down here like that, sorry. Okay, yeah. If let's say you have something like that, let's say we try, Mr. Razik. Razik, you must try. Before you leave, you try to get it correct so that you go to bed feeling confident. Razik, what number is this, Razik?
71,345.
Good. Okay, now Razik, now you try now. What number is this, Razik?
271,340.
Well done. See, you can do. Okay, now we try, Neris. Neris, we try. Okay, don't. I want you to go to sleep feeling confident and you feel very happy yourself. No? Imagine this would be one of your one of the gifts, lah, right? So now, Neris disappeared. Okay, now we ask Mr. Putra. Putra, hold on, Putra. Don't say the number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cannot, nah. Okay, Putra, what number is this, Putra?
345,606.
600 and
78.
8. Well done. Okay, so very good, very good. So now we are going to ask now Miss Shafia to read this number. Shafia now, hold on, Shafia. Now I'm just going to change the number just a little bit. Shafia, what's this number here? Shafia, what number?
305. 628.
305,000. Don't forget, 678. Well done. Okay, now we ask Miss who? Miss Neris. Neris, are you ready, Neris? At the moment I call her, she might turn on the video. Don't be like that, lah. Okay, come, Neris, come. What number is this, Neris? Read this one, Neris. What number is this? Come. Don't cover yourself in plastic bag, lah. You might get suffocate. What is this? What number? How many hundred? Okay, then this is 100 and what? What number? You know this number. Like that, imagine like that. 100 and how much? You collect Haraya money this much, I'm sure. I know you feel that way. That's why I'm asking you, so that you feel happy after that. If you try, you will feel very happy after that. Trust me. You try. What number is this? Come on. You can do. Then you add the word 1,000 lah. What number is this? Come on, Neris. You can do this, Neris. Neris has gone. Okay, we ask Mr. Rafiq. Can you help? What number is this, Rafiq? What number is this?
Me?
Rafiq.
Don't call me Rafiq.
Yes, you. Then Razik, sorry, Razik. I mispronounced your name. Very garang. Okay. All right. Please, what's the answer for this one, Razik?
125,678.
Well done. Okay, see, all of you can do this, you see. It's whether you want to take the risk or not. Sometimes when you learn, you might feel embarrassed. It's okay. Sometimes you ride bicycle, you will fall. But if you don't get up, like last time I rode a motorbike, I fell, I went so longkang, After that, I didn't get up and try again. Until today, I'm scared of riding motorbike. So if let's say you don't get up and try again, you'll be scared. So next time we try again, you never mind lah. So what? If we malu, so what? All right, we all will make mistakes. We are all human beings. We all make mistakes. Okay, with the month of Ramadan has started. If you are fasting, that's good. May Allah bless you for this month. Okay. All right. I'll see you next week. Okay. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye. Take care.